Hey everybody, welcome to this week's market update. So the headlines: after astronomical growth last year, the Brisbane housing market is moving into a new phase. Hare & Todd White use a property clock, which is a very clever way of showing us where the markets are at. And they've just moved Brisbane houses into 3 o'clock, which means we are declining to 6 o'clock, which is obviously the bottom of the market. Interestingly though, units and townhouses are sitting at 12 o'clock, which is the peak of the market. We are seeing this on the ground. Those properties are very popular and selling quickly. That's largely due to affordability. We also know that the recent change in land tax and the interest rate increases are obviously having an effect across the economy. We're doing much better than Sydney and Melbourne, but we are starting to feel the effects and technically going into a declining market. It'll be really interesting to see where the market goes from here. There is a global economic consideration as well as a national, and we are most likely going to see more interest rate increases over the months to come. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted. If you are looking at the Sunshine Coast or the Gold Coast, interestingly, those markets are still sitting at 12 o'clock, which is the peak of the market. Ipswich, Toowoomba and through that way has followed Brisbane and is now at 3 o'clock, so they're also looking like they're going to decline. Hope that's been helpful. We'll talk to you next week.